Hey guys, in this video I'm going to go over my Kindle income report. It's the first time I've really sort of started working on KDP and putting some of my efforts there. To give you some background, I actually came from the FBA world, and there are a lot of similarities between Amazon, fulfilled by Amazon, and Kindle Direct Publishing. They're both on the Amazon platform, and they both use the same or very similar advertising methods as well, and that's going to be very useful. And I will share with you why in a moment. So this is the income for the June 2022 period, and I'll put it for July, which was last month. Let's do it here. So you see that the income pretty much doubled from that period. And then let's do it for, okay, so I could have just done last month. And then let's do it for this month. And you'll see that this month we're on 2,800 so far. And there's still one more day left in August to go. So it's essentially been almost doubling, not exactly doubling, but almost there. And the key thing that's made the difference has actually been using ads. Ads has driven most of the increase in sales, and I've basically just applied what I learned from my FBA days, where I used to sell a whole bunch of physical products on FBA, and I used Amazon ads, and I've applied the same methods to selling books. And I'd say that one of the biggest things is one of the most important tools for me for doing this is using Helium 10. You need to use the platinum, I think it's the platinum level tools to get the most important thing, which is the reverse ASIN lookup, and they call it the Cerebro tool. And the keyword research tool there is also very useful. But with Cerebro, you can go to all of your competitors and see what keywords they're ranking for, and you can generate thousands of keywords, and you can target what we call long tail keywords, which is the keywords that are not super competitive, and you can bid at extremely low prices, which can in turn make your ads extremely profitable. And I would say that this is the key differentiator between a lot of the people who are doing low content books. They don't know how to make Amazon ads work for them, and whoever understands the stuff is the ones that have an edge. And coming into Q4 now, this is something that's going to be really, really useful, because Q4 is when sales really rocket. And that's true for both FBA and for KDP. I'm going to share in another video exactly the steps that I take to do the Amazon ads, the keyword research, and so on. But yeah, that's it for now. I hope you enjoy the video, and I'll see you in the next one.